vitamins and history books, psychology and a different way to look at it all. 'Cause my perspective.
Hello, checking in a few days later. Sorry for the mess. Today we're Wednesday. I'm done with my class and I wanted to do a little unboxing. So I bought Maxton album. I've been wanting to buy it since it came out. It's the T-Crush version. But this is just a little close-up. And I'm gonna show my pulls because that's what's interesting, I guess. So I got Jisung doing a little heart. I hope you can see well. Really cute photo card, love it. And then I got Tan with this beautiful outfit. The back is like that, and for Jisung it's like this. It's very nice and very happy. For the stickers, I don't know if it's normal that I have to. I feel like there's only one, but I have two apparently. So I have Tan and Tangbin. I haven't opened those yet, but I will. In terms of the little letter you get, I have Songmin. I really love this. It's so pretty. With the back also, it's so nice. And the picture of Songmin, I'm like, whoa, okay. I love the Polaroid because it looks quite real. Oh, it's just really cute. So I love that. And then I have the individual poster picture, I don't know, and I have Chan again. As you can see, it's really pretty. I never saw his heart from close, but it's actually like in ice, you know, which is it's very nice, and I really love this picture. It's really cool. This is what I got. Then you got the mini like newspaper, which apparently they designed from what I remember. So yeah, and then there's a poster that is quite massive. I really love it. I'm gonna put it up at some point. Yeah, how cool is that? Like, look at them, all so happy and beautiful. I really love this shoot, so that's why I wanted this version of the album, and I'm just very happy about that. I know I said I was gonna do an update, but I was not feeling very good. I feel like I'm, you know, getting better day by day. It's just, honestly, there's only time that can help this all heal. I have my finals for Korean classes in 3 weeks, so in 3 weeks I'm done with my Korean classes. I'm just so excited. I can't be bothered to continue this. It has been really like, just, I don't know, I'm not gonna say hell because it was still really interesting, but it has been really hard. So I'm just, you know, working on my Korean. I've been losing a bit of motivation this week. I don't know, I think like last weekend was just very hard, and I just couldn't focus on Monday. My Korean classes, I couldn't focus. Yesterday I haven't been, I don't know, I'm just like, I'm doing my work, but I feel really out of it. Last week, what we worked on, I was just very lost. I just couldn't understand because I don't know if I explained this, but the thing is that both of our teachers do not speak English at all, so it's just only Korean. Yeah, so next semester I'm definitely not taking this again. I want to continue learning Korean because I just, like, I'm living here, right? I want to know. But I'll do a system of tutoring or something. I'm not doing like intensive program. I feel like doing intensive program can be very, very good because you're learning so much things. I've learned so much more than what I've learned in the regular class. But you need time. Like, you need to only be doing this. So this time, my other classes are going fine, but I'm just, honestly, I'm not motivated. Like, this week I have no motivation. I'm just pushing myself so hard to do things, and once again, like, I have nothing to complain about. Like, I'm literally so lucky and safe and all of this, you know. So it's just like, yeah, I'm trying to push myself but also be gentle with myself because it's fine. yeah, other than that, for my reading, I'm 90% in Human Hacks by Hong Kong. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very excited to finish this book. It was already very heavy. Then I had my midterms, and now with what's going on, I just need to be done with this book because honestly, it's very heavy. It's been 6 minutes. Oh my god. Very very heavy reading. It needs to stop, but it's also so interesting, so well written. It's definitely one of the best book I've read this year in terms of how, like, I'll never forget this book, like, definitely. Why, I guess. But yeah, weather's been really nice, very sunny. It's getting a little colder today, but the past few days was such a beautiful weather. It was so nice. So we've been spending a lot of time outside because we know that once winter is gonna hit, it's gonna be very very cold. So taking advantage of the good weather to spend some time outside, breathe some fresh air, it just helps with, you know, feeling better and all of that. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys soon or not so soon. I don't know. Yeah, bye bye.
Perspective is broken. If suffering's a way to earn your keep, I better start putting miles on my feet. But I'm so tired of wandering. I feel you linger, but I don't feel all the time.
Yeah, I thought about that.
In fact, the last time that I felt something was when your hand was holding mine.
Yeah.
When was the last time that we did that? 'Cause I'm really missing you. It was so the last time that we did that. It was so long ago. It was so long ago. And I miss you. It'll show.
Than all the rest, I'm quite old-fashioned, wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. But everyone's such a bore. Out of a sudden, you came through the door. And the next
just to keep my mind and my head straight. I've been feeling as of late that all I wanna do is go out somewhere new. As long as I'm with you, I wanna run away with you. I don't really care where to, just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you. Tell me that you want it too. Just wanna be alone with you.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기에.
Hello, messy bed of my roommate. Excuse this. Today we are 29th of November. Oh my god, we're the last day of November. That's crazy. I'm going to IKEA with my friend, which is very exciting. I'm planning on buying the elephant plushie. Oops. Never mind. Today's really cold. It's like sort of feels like the first day of winter. It's like -4, which is not warm. So I'm just getting ready to go. In Daiso, and I love it. Apparently yesterday was the first snow at night. I couldn't see it though, which is sad because I really like snow, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna wear my shoes and I'm ready to go. Let me just put you here on the door. Is that, oh, it's such a weird angle. But yeah, I finished my Korean classes what, like 2-3 weeks ago. I'm so relieved. Now I'm tasting freedom. I don't think I've done a really good job at vlogging. Same, I kind of stopped reading because the book we're reading for a book club, I'm not liking it, so I just stopped reading it. And then the library went down, which is very sad. So I couldn't have access to any book because I was, you know, like December's coming, and in December you're always broke because you have so many presents to buy. So I was like, I don't want to spend money on books and I don't want to buy physical books. But now I found OCM PDF and it works very well. Also, I'm doing an advent calendar with my friend Maeva here, which is really fun. So we're buying Christmas like presents for each other for each day, like really small stuff, but it's very fun. This and is there, let me try to finish this clip. But yeah, we're doing this, which is really nice. So I'm heading now to downstairs, 11th or 13th floor, but the lift always takes ages, so I always take the stairs, and hence my very not stable shot. See you there.